Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see about interface. So what is interface, why interface, all these concepts we will see today. So now we will see impure abstraction. What is the meaning of impure abstraction? Impure abstraction means abstract class which is having both abstract method as well as the concrete method. We already know about the abstract method, what is abstract class, all these in my previous videos. If you don't check out that video, then first see that video, then come to here. Okay. So now we will see what is the meaning of abstract method. Abstract method means which does not have any body. It have only definition, like no implementation. And the concrete method which has the body. So here the example is that abstract. This is the abstract class. Inside this we are having a void disk. So it is not a abstract method. It is a concrete method which has a body. Now the different one abstract method which does not have a body. So it is impure abstraction. Now, pure abstraction, abstract class which is having only abstract method, abstract class demo, and inside that class we have only abstract method. So it is called as a pure abstraction. Now, this pure abstraction is only called as interface. Interface means only abstract method is present in that. It is called as interface. Now we will see interface. Interface is having public abstract method. If a class having only the abstract method, then it is a interface. Now the second one, interface has implements. Like in the inheritance, we are using extend to extending a parent. We are writing like this, extend and the parent name. Like that, in a similar way, in the interface, we are writing implements. Like if you want to implement any parent, then we write implements and the parent name. Now the third one, the method which don't have body by default, they are public and abstract in an interface. Inside an interface, if any method is there which does not have a body, so it is by default public and abstract. Now we will see some code to understand about interface. So here we already make a class. For the interface, we are writing the name as program interface. Now inside this, we will take abstract class and the class name is calculator. Inside this, we are writing public void and the add. Now we will write public void and the subtract. Okay. So here, while we are writing abstract class, so it is necessary to give here abstract. Okay. So sorry, there is a method. Okay. Now this means this is a abstract class. Inside the abstract class, abstract public void. Okay. Now here what we have learned, the method which don't have body by default, they are public and abstract in an interface. So if directly we write here interface, so we don't write, it will directly take public and abstract. If you are writing the interface, if you are writing abstract here, so we have to give a method as abstract in the abstract, but it is a pure abstraction, means inside this only the abstract method is only present, so we will directly write interface. While we are writing the interface, then it is by default public and abstract, so that's why if we want to write only the abstract method, so we directly write in the class that is interface, then it is by default abstract. Okay, so we will write like this. Now we will see class my calculator implements. In the interface what we are using implements calculator. Now here We'll write public void and add subtract. Now, while we are writing abstract method inside interface, we have to overwrite it in the subclass. If we will not overwrite, then it will show error. See, then it will show error. Add body means we have to give a body. If you are writing abstract, we have to override it in the child class. So we are overriding it. We'll write int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, and we are writing sys, then a plus b. Now inside the subtraction we will take int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 5. We'll write a minus b. Okay, so this is our first class. Now we will take my class, my calculator 2, that is implements to calculator. Now again we will write public void and the add method will give a body. Now here it is showing error. Add unimplemented method means we have to override, then it will go error. Public void and the subtract inside this. Now error gone. We will write here again something sys out is equal to 10, int b is equal to 60, int res is equal to a plus b, and here I will write res. Here also int a is equal to 20 and the int b is equal to 10 and int c is equal to a minus b. Then we will print sys c. Okay, now we will call. So we will create a method of, we will create the object of calculator 1. My then we will call I forgot to write a method. Now we will print. So 30 and 5 it will print. So now we can't make a object of interface also. So that's why we have to make a object of my calculator. Now I will say show you make or not calculator C is equal to new calculator. See here. So here you can see that cannot instantiate the type calculator because it is an interface. We can't make an object of an interface. So this is our code. So I hope you understand the interface. Now in the next class we will see more about the interface. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.